is year where future doesn't feel distant anymore, feels present. Around world, engineers, designers, visionaries unveiling inventions pushing far beyond incremental upgrades. Intelligent robots working alongside humans. Immersive AR devices. Smart homes thinking for themselves. Flying vehicles. Next-generation space technology. These aren't bold ideas or lab concepts. Real technologies moving fast toward everyday life, from humanoid robots handling household chores to expandable space stations orbiting Earth. From wearable exoskeletons making walking effortless to AI-powered bartenders serving drinks. Technologies once confined to science fiction now materializing in production facilities worldwide. This is exploration of 20 most remarkable innovations of 2026. Technologies reshaping industries, mobility, space exploration, daily life itself. 1. Max Space Thunderbird Station. Max Space Thunderbird Station, major shift in how humans may live and work in orbit coming decade. Designed as expandable space habitat, built launching compactly then unfolding in space. Creating large pressurized environment from single mission. Approach reduces complexity while maximizing usable interior volume for crews and payloads. Station envisions supporting research, technology testing, commercial activities. Flexible internal layouts reconfigurable as missions evolve. Living quarters, workspaces, observation areas planned improving comfort during long stays in microgravity. Launches on single SpaceX Falcon 9. Expands to approximately 350 cubic meters pressurized volume in orbit. More usable space per launch than traditional rigid modules. Supports 4 or more crew. Promises configurable interiors for living and research without complex in-orbit assembly. Thunderbird positioned as stepping stone for future exploration. Capable supporting operations in low Earth orbit while informing designs for lunar and deep space habitats. Reflects how private innovation accelerating transition from experimental stations toward practical commercial orbital facilities. 2. Gene.01 Humanoid. Gene.01, new chapter in humanoid robotics, highlighting how machines beginning to understand physical world in more human-like ways. Unveiled at CES 2026 by Italian startup Generative Bionics. Next-generation humanoid introduces concept of physical AI, where intelligence not limited to software but distributed throughout robot's body. Full-body tactile sensing. Gene.01 can detect touch, pressure, contact across entire surface, allowing interact more safely and naturally with people and objects. Advanced computing hardware coordinates perception, movement, decision-making in real time, enabling smooth and adaptive behavior in dynamic environments. Uses high-performance AMD computing hardware fusing tactile, visual, motion data in real time. Designed with collaboration in mind, aimed at future workplaces where humans and robots operate side by side. Development moving toward commercial deployment. Signals shift away from rigid automation toward machines that can feel, adapt, respond intelligently within real world. Planned commercial launch late 2026. Expected prototype price around $50,000. 3. Samsung Micro ARGB 130-inch TV. Samsung's 130-inch MicroLED TV, dramatic leap in how large-format home entertainment imagined. Unveiled CES 2026. Massive display showcases MicroLED technology where individual red, green, blue LEDs generate color directly. Result: purer tones, higher contrast, remarkable brightness control across entire screen. Advanced AI-powered processing analyzes scenes real-time, refining color accuracy, depth, detail, creating more natural and immersive viewing experience. Screen delivers full coverage of BT.2020 color space, ensuring cinematic-grade visuals feeling vivid yet realistic. Glare-reducing optics, integrated large-scale audio, smart software features. Gallery-style design transforms display into statement piece rather than just television. Points toward future where home theaters rival professional cinema environments. Pricing not announced yet. Expectations command premium as Samsung's flagship display. 4. Roborock Saros Rover. Roborock Saros Rover, bold new direction for home robotics. Redefining how robot vacuums move and interact with indoor spaces. Unveiled CES 2026. Advanced concept uses innovative wheel-leg system allowing robot to walk, climb, balance rather than simply roll across flat floors. Mobility enables navigating stairs, uneven surfaces, complex layouts traditionally stopping automated cleaners. Guided by AI navigation and 3D spatial mapping. Can understand surroundings real-time. Adapt movement maintaining stability and cleaning continuity. Reduces need for restricted zones in multi-level homes. Points toward future where household robots operate freely across entire living spaces. Highlights how mechanical engineering and artificial intelligence merging to create more capable, agile, autonomous home robots. Final specs. Price, release date not yet confirmed. Analysts expect premium cost above previous Saros models. 5. SwitchBot Amaro H1. SwitchBot Onero H1. Major evolution in home robotics. Moving beyond single-purpose machines toward true AI-powered household assistant. Revealed CES 2026. Designed to perceive, understand, physically interact with environment using embodied AI. Articulated arms, hands, mobile base. Can navigate living spaces while performing contact-based tasks, handling objects, organizing areas, interacting with household items. Network of cameras and sensors feeds real-time data into onboard intelligence. Allowing recognize objects, judge distance, decide how to act safely and effectively. Built with 22 degrees of freedom. Omnisense Fla Vision Language Action AI model. Can grasp, push, open, organize objects while learning from space. Built as part of SwitchBot's Smart Home 2.0 vision. Meant working alongside other connected devices. Coordinating actions across home, rather than replacing existing robots, acts as central helper. Pointing toward future where intelligent robots become integrated adaptive partners in everyday home life. Pre-orders opening soon. Expected pricing under $10,000. 6. Pickle One Soul Computer. Pickle One Soul Computer, redefining what wearable technology can do. Blending augmented reality with continuous AI memory. Developed by California startup Pickle Incorporated. AR device doesn't just display information. Observes. Records. Remembers daily life. Creating personal context anticipating needs. Using Pickle OS organizes experiences into searchable memory clusters, letting users recall conversations, locations, events exactly when needed. Headset comes with full-color binocular AR screen. Integrated spatial audio. 2 cameras, built-in microphones, all running on Qualcomm Snapdragon chips enabling real-time AI processing. Lightweight at just 68 grams. Supports up to 12 hours active use. Projects interactive AI avatars for intuitive engagement, emphasizing privacy through encrypted hardware isolated processing. Opens new frontier for proactive context-aware assistance. Merging memory, intelligence, AR into single wearable, early US pre-orders start around $799. Rising to approximately $1,300 later, shipments expected 2026. 7. Hyundai Mobed. Hyundai Mobed, setting new standard for autonomous robotics with versatile mobility platform. Unveiled IRX 2025, designed for real-world deployment in both industrial and everyday environments. Adaptive hardware. Eccentric posture control. Drive and lift modules enable smooth navigation across tight indoor spaces and uneven outdoor terrain. Equipped with AI-powered navigation. LiDAR camera fusion. Predictive algorithms. Can detect obstacles. Plan optimal routes autonomously. Intuitive touchscreen interface allows easy operation. Platform's modular design supports wide range of applications, from logistics and delivery to guidance services and media production. 2 versions planned early 2026. Mobed Basic with manual control. Mobed Pro with full autonomy. Recognized with CES 2026 Best of Innovation. Exemplifies Hyundai's expansion from automotive engineering into smart consumer-ready robotics, demonstrating how adaptable autonomous systems can serve diverse industries and everyday life. Pricing not yet announced. Mass production begins early 2026. 8. Spirit AI's MOS 1. Spirit AI's MOS 1, redefining what humanoid robots can do, combining advanced AI with full body force controlled hardware. Launched June 2025. Uses company's vision language action model to perceive environment, understand natural language instructions, autonomously plan and execute complex tasks. Unlike traditional pre-programmed robots, adapts real-time to dynamic surroundings. Enabling handled chores like folding clothes, organizing objects, manipulating everyday items with human-like dexterity. Featuring 26 degrees of freedom, high-density force, controlled joints. Moves smoothly and safely around people. Balancing precision with stability. Multimodal AI processes visual, auditory, tactile inputs for continuous learning and task execution. Designed for applications across manufacturing, logistics, service industries, research. Represents practical step toward real-world humanoid deployment, integrating embodied intelligence with robust robotics engineering. Highlights future of adaptive autonomous robots capable performing meaningful tasks in everyday environments. 9. Withings Body Scan 2. Withings Body Scan 2, new vision for everyday health monitoring, turning simple bathroom scale into powerful longevity-focused tool. Unveiled CES 2026, advanced device designed capturing wide range of body signals in just over a minute. Offering insights once requiring clinical equipment. Uses over 60 biomarkers in approximately 90 seconds. Adding heart performance, hypertension risk alerts, metabolic insights, health trajectory score tracking long-term wellness. By using multiple electrodes across platform and handle, can assess cardiovascular performance, vascular health, metabolic balance, cellular indicators in one standing session. Integrated intelligence analyzes measurements highlighting long-term health trends rather than just daily numbers. All data syncs automatically to companion app, creating continuous picture of how body changing over time. Long-lasting rechargeable battery, secure data handling, premium build. Reflects shift toward preventive data-driven wellness at home, where early awareness becomes part of daily routine rather than occasional checkups. Pricing approximately $600 US. Planned Q2 2026 launch. 10. Defi Sidekick Exoskeleton. Defi Sidekick, innovative wearable robotic exoskeleton designed making walking easier and less tiring. Supporting body's natural gait. Debuting CES 2026. Focuses on ankle and lower leg. Integrating with specially designed footwear providing subtle, responsive assistance feeling like extension of own muscles. Using advanced sensors, adaptive control, real-time IMU feedback, analyzes movement. Reduces effort with each step. Helping users walk farther and longer without fatigue. System addresses personal range anxiety by boosting confidence and extending comfortable walking range, while remaining lightweight and easy to wear. Requiring no complex setup. Learns gait in just 20 strides. Activates assistance seamlessly, making daily movement feel more natural. Combining intuitive support with usability represents major step forward in personal mobility. Enabling more confident, comfortable, extended walking experiences for everyday life. From expandable space stations orbiting Earth to humanoid robots learning household tasks. From AR glasses remembering your life to exoskeletons making walking effortless. 2026 delivering technologies transforming impossible into inevitable. These innovations share common thread, moving beyond prototypes toward production, beyond concepts toward commercialization, beyond laboratory toward living room. MaxSpace Thunderbird expanding in orbit. Gene.01 and MOS 1 bringing physical AI into workplaces. Samsung's 130-inch MicroLED transforming home entertainment. Roborock Saros rover climbing stairs autonomously. Switchbot Onero H1 organizing households. Pickle 1 creating searchable life memory. Hyundai Moped navigating autonomously. Withings Body Scan 2 tracking longevity. Defi Sidekick extending walking range. Each represents years of engineering, millions in investment, countless iterations. But more importantly, each represents shift in what's possible. A decade ago, these technologies existed only in speculation. 5 years ago, early prototypes in controlled environments. Today, production timelines, pre-order pages, commercial availability. This is acceleration. This is convergence. This is a moment where multiple technological advances, AI, robotics, materials science, battery technology, miniaturization, meet and multiply each other's impact. Future not coming. Future here. Question no longer, can this be done? Question now, how quickly can this scale? Technologies in this video will reshape how we work, how we live, how we travel, how we explore space, how we maintain health, how we interact with physical and digital worlds. Some will succeed spectacularly, others will iterate and improve. Few may fail, but collectively they represent inflection point, moment when science fiction becomes science fact, when impossible becomes standard. Which technology excited you most? Drop answer in comments. Subscribe for more coverage of breakthrough innovations reshaping our world. Because 2026 just beginning, and technologies coming next will make today's impossibilities look tame. Until next time, remember that best way to predict future is to build it. And in 2026, that's exactly what's happening.